So we're in Costa Rica and I'm fishing from the shore. We managed to find a fishing pole today and the local guy hooked me up. He even put some line on it for free, which was sweet. And I was already out here earlier with just a hand line. I've seen the locals, they just use a little line and a stick and a lure and they wing it out there like that. I already came out here this morning and tried that. No luck, but I saw a rooster fish come up out of the water like 20 feet from me from shore. So now I have the right lure, I have a real pole so I can actually cast out there and let's see what we can do. So the idea with this thing is hopefully it'll fit in my suitcase and maybe I can take it on future trips. We just got back from the beach swimming and the wildlife down here in Costa Rica is crazy. It's not like Mexico or anywhere else I've been for that matter. I mean, there's just wildlife everywhere. They outlawed hunting back in the 70s. I think it was like 76 or something. No hunting whatsoever. So, you know, hence there's a lot of game. But they do have a problem with crocodiles. I mean, we went on a little crocodile tour, and on that crocodile tour, we were told that in that river, which is the Crocodiles River, if I'm saying that right, there's over 2,000 crocodiles in that one river. I can't remember how many per mile that is, but it's too many, I can tell you that right now. So they're actually probably needing to do a little hunting because it's overrun. And there's crocodiles in this river right here that I'm fishing in. So not gonna lie, it's a little bit eerie to be in the water. Another little interesting fact about those crocodiles is during mating season, which I guess is like September, October, around then, males fight males like in any other species basically. And the juveniles, the smaller males, they can't put up a fight pretty much. So they head out to the ocean where it's safe and they're not gonna get beat up, right? So one, that's a danger for the surfers. Crocodiles, surfers, what? Never even, new fear unleashed. Anyways, but then they go look for safer places and maybe a place to mate, and they head up all these other rivers. So there's not a river in Costa Rica, especially not where I'm at, around Jaco, that doesn't have crocodiles. Got to do like the locals do, little thing to cut your line and get your hooks out of your fish or whatever, and then that just clips on your shorts here. Bada bing, it's right there, can't lose it. Like I'm gonna catch a bunch of fish, right? Okay, I realize that I should probably just, you know, get over it, but I don't even like standing in this water ankle deep. That crocodile tour, I'm not kidding you. One of those crocodiles was 18 feet long, like 1,500 pounds. It eats cows. One of them, they know it's eaten 3 people. They said the crocodile's diet is anything in the water. And I know there's crocodiles in this water. It's eerie. It's just eerie. Pretty sure I just saw those kids wade across this damn thing. They waded right across. All right, well, I give up. I probably spent about, I'd guess somewhere around 4 hours, 3 different days, morning, night, about 4 or 5 different lures and rigs here. And man, apparently I don't know what I'm doing or there's no fish, so let's go try to catch a sailfish. There. the whole time. We must be getting close because he slowed down and started swerving. Because he slowed down and started swerving, but I don't know how he knows because there's no electronics on the boat. Alright, figured it out. He's got a handheld GPS. That's how he knows where the heck we're at. Alright, so we're out in the water, just holding the pole as we're trolling. I got this little fish fighting handle on here, I guess, so it doesn't hurt when I get a big one on. I got it. Just hand it to him.
Aren't you supposed to reel too? He said reel this one.
Reel.
It's coming to you, right? Reel, Buster.
Well, apparently we had a wahoo on. I was reeling. I lost it. Oh, that's heavy. Bonita? Bonita. Boys, please.
Oh, you can't keep those?
Rather not good to eat.
Oh.
Boy, I can't imagine what a big fish is like. So apparently what we just caught was a bonita. I guess it's not a good eating fish, but it kind of looks like a tuna, a small one.
Holy cow, how much line does she have out?
On top.
Real, Ashley?
I'm
Don't let him get the best of you.
supposed to go nice and easy, right?
No, really, it's real.
That's a lot of work, isn't it?
Must be another bonita.
Bonita?
Yeah.
Well, what the hell? How am I supposed to... What if it's a big fish?
Oh, big fish, a big fight.
Big fish, big fight.
Yeah. This is slow bleeding.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
Good, he wants there.
I feel like I'm okay with you holding it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What, are you afraid of it? I'm gonna bite you.
That's super cool. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, I know what happens when it's a big fish, huh?
I don't think I could do it. I mean, obviously
All right, it's a busy boat now. We got 5 lines going. So every time we catch something, we got to reel them all in, and it's a scramble.
maybe like...
So when you're
probably
fishing,
like 5 minutes.
when you're fishing on a panga and you got to go number 2,
Stop!
hold on, you got to swim. That's the deal. Come on.
Okay, hey, lady. Hey, take your lines out, right?
Keep
Reel.
reeling.
Still on? On?
Oh, it's gone?
On.
On, yeah.
Wait,
Oh.
let me know.
I'm gonna need help probably.
That's your story.
Yeah, for sure. That's your story.
Reeling now?
Ashley's got a sailfish
I'm
on.
reeling.
Real, real, real.
Faster. No stop, no stop.
No stop, no stop.
You see that right there, buddy?
Wanna reel this one in?
Please. No stop.
I think he might be gone now.
No, no, he's not gone.
Real faster.
If you want to quit, you know. You
No, you need to trade me, Dylan.
Okay.
I don't want to lose it. I don't want to. Trade me. Go.
Right there. Close. Pretty close.
Yeah, pretty close.
When I throw the fish, know everybody on one side.
Okay.
When? What did he just say?
Not everybody on one side. You don't want to take
Right.
the thing over.
Got it.
Okay.
Come on, jump again. There he goes. Oh.
Oh, cool.
Gonna jump, might jump again.
Awesome.
Picture?
Oh my God, are you kidding me? How cool is that?
Come over, G.
Can't go. You take a picture of it, Dylan. That's so cool. Damn. You need to hand me that, Dylan.
Wanna grab it? Grab it?
Hand me the
Wanna
GoPro.
grab it or no?
No, it's okay. It's
Okay.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, that's it. You got it? You got a picture?
Wow, that's cool. Look at that.
I'm trying to get a picture, but I don't want to get your pose.
That's awesome.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my.
High five, G.
Woo!
All right, we got a sailfish.
Woo!
Ah! Whoa! It took two of us. Took two of us to get it in.
I didn't
It
want
only
to.
took. What do you think that took? 5, 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
That was so cool.
Sailfish can get around 70 to 80 pounds. He said the one that we just caught was probably 60. So, and they can swim up to 70 miles an hour. I got him on camera. These birds are circling because they can see fish apparently underwater, and so then we fish basically where the birds are.
Oh yeah.
Wait, with your shirt on?
Yeah.
You mean my shirt?
Yeah.
I think I'll dry off fast enough.
Dive.
I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of a fear of this. Middle of the ocean,
Yeah.
sharks,
Yeah.
but he said we could. Is it, hey, is it deep enough to dive? Ah, I was kidding. What? Yes, it
What?
is. I don't
You
think
can't
it's
dive?
Down there?
Yeah.
Too deep.
No, yeah, oh, that's.
Okay, yeah.
It was just being funny.
Now do you feel a little bit more scared?
Yeah, I'm scared. I don't know what's under me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Are you gonna be able to pull yourself up?
We could troll you all the way back. Maybe we'd get a bite.
Are you
Right.
looking for sharks or what, Cheery? Huh?
I don't know.
He was looking in the water.
Look at the water so nice and blue.
All right. Okay.
Doesn't that feel so good?
Yeah. Well, I guess that wraps up our fishing trip.
Yeah. We gotta do a wrapping
We're wrapping up.
up.
Thanks, Jerry.